Hi. Receiving gifts from brands has always been like a faraway thing for me. I never really imagined how I will feel, but it honestly feels good. I'm so excited to reveal to you guys. I've gotten my first gift from a brand and they reached out to me on my email last month by the end of January, I think, and they were wondering if they could send me contact lenses. And I was like, why not? And that was a whole experience. And I'm so grateful that through them, I was able to live out my childhood dream of changing my eye color, especially after watching Twilight. They sent me an email and they were wondering if I would love to pick out from their new collection. So before I even show you guys the contact lenses, I just want to say thank you to Mislens for gifting me this and the opportunity to experience what it feels like to have a unique eye color and to have my first gift from a brand. I'm so excited and elated because it's a double win. So I've got in my parcel, they sent me 4 lens cases, and in one of these, I've got a contact lens because I already tried out one and I tried out the brown color. I'm going to pop the pictures on the screen so you can see what they would look like. Now they also sent me jewelry from their brand and it has their logo on it. This is what the earrings look like. And then it also comes with this necklace and they sent me this cute little mirror right here. And then for the stars of the day, so these are the colors. I picked out lollipop brown, which is in one of the cases. I've got a normal brown, I've got Rihanna, which is like a mixture of a yellow and a blue color. I also got ocean blue because I really wanted 2 colors that would be out of my comfort zone, but I feel like I could still wear comfortably. So that's why I picked like a whole lot of toned down colors, and then I picked 2 bright colors, which is ocean blue and Rihanna. And then the last shade I have here is Mirage Gray. I've always been like intrigued with gray colored eyes, so that's why I picked out the Mirage Gray and I'm super excited to be trying it out. So a very big thank you to Miss Lent for gifting me these contact lenses. So if you're interested in any of the contact lenses I've shown you in the video, or if you're interested in checking out their site, because they offer a range of contact lenses all the way from colored eye contact lenses to prescription contact lenses and even to anime themed contact lenses. There's a lens for everyone on their site. You can click the link in my description box down below. Now, if you're getting 3 contact lenses, you'll be able to get 4 more as gifts. So if you're buying 3, you just have to add 7 items to your cart and you'll be charged the price of 3. If you get 5 contact lenses, you'll be able to get 5 more free, just adding 10 items to your cart. And you can also use Angel XO to get extra 20% off your orders, and they will send you a free earring and necklace complimentary because you used my discount code. That's ANGELXO. So all you have to do is use my discount code ANGELXO at checkout.
My backpack, so it's not gonna come off. Don't worry.
What happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. 'Cause nothing feels the same without you.
In London, I can survive without 10 miles.
Got me feeling like I care. Shyer than I can admit. Cover me in lilac. No, I like that. So nice, yeah. One look, give me butterflies. Lush, it's my favorite color. Rosy, sweet, you got me lush. I look good,
had like longer time to spend. That should be enough.
God, I cannot take a bus and go missing in Liverpool. London is easy to. Oh, there's Sainsbury's. Yay! I'll just get her snacks from there.
It's the best.
Yes, best. Oh, so those are like offices.
Yeah. There's a lot here.
Oh my Lord, I say, my sweet Lord.